No doubt that the age of artificial intelligence, also known as AI, has arrived. If you ever browsed the news recommended in Google, told Alexa to order a pizza, or unlocked your phone with your face, you're probably interacting with AI more than you realize. What is AI exactly? In basic terms, AI is a broad area of computer science that makes machines seem like they have human intelligence. But how to achieve AI? There are two ways. The traditional one is to program the computer with explicit rules. Deep Blue, an IBM chess-playing computer, defeated the reigning world champion of chess, Garry Kasparov, in 1997. It was made this way. The other approach is called machine learning. Instead of writing specific rules, we provide examples and make the computer learn from the patterns in them. Most of modern AI applications are powered by machine learning because it solves problems that traditional methods fail to solve. Next, I will use a virtual Google Home to illustrate the advantages of machine learning. Google Home is a powerful speaker and voice assistant. You can use it to make phone calls, play music, control your TV, and so on. When you wake up Google Home, first it gets your voice and converts it to the corresponding text. Then it will understand the meaning of text and match the corresponding tasks, such as turning on the light or querying about the weather. Both steps use machine learning. Here, I directly complement the second step, match the text input to the corresponding tasks. This is Scratch. I want Google Home to understand my commands for 4 tasks: turn on the light, clean the house, stop the vacuum, and turn off the light. Let's try the traditional way first. These are the rules I've programmed. Click this green flag to start. I enter my commands to Google Home. Turn on the light, clean the house. You see, it works. It also recognizes my commands, stop vacuum, and turn off the light. Let's see if I enter please turn on the light. It means the same as turn on the light, right? Nothing happened, even though I just added a word please. It's because there is no rule dealing with the command please turn on the light. If I wanted to understand commands phrased differently, I will need to add extra if blocks. The problem is that I will need to predict exactly what commands Google Home will get. It's obviously impossible to list every possible message. So, instead of adding tons of if blocks to deal with every possible command, we choose to use machine learning. This way, only a few examples are needed. Let's review this application using machine learning. As we already know, most AI applications are actually doing classification tasks. In this case, my commands are classified to one of the 4 tasks or categories. First, collecting data. I created 4 categories. Try to think of different ways to ask each command. For turn on the light, I could complain that it's too dark or that I can't see. For turn off the light, I could complain that it's too bright. In that same way, I type at least 5 commands in each category. These commands are called training data, which is used for the next step, training. Click this button. The Google Home will learn from patterns in the examples I provided, such as the choice of words and the way sentences are structured. These will be used to recognize unseen commands. Finally, making a decision. Go back to Scratch. The specific rules used before are replaced by gray bricks, which represent the classifier we've just trained. When given new commands, the classifier directly matches them to the tasks rather than doing direct text comparison jobs. Have a try. Type, "It's so dark, please turn on the light." This command is not in the training data. You see, Google Home can understand it now. Try another one. "It's dirty." It doesn't exist in the training data either, but Google Home still gets my words. Summary. AI is a broad area of computer science that makes machines seem like they have human intelligence. There are 2 methods to achieve AI. Traditional AI was powered by explicit programming. As a result, it is difficult for it to solve problems that cannot be described by specific rules. They also fail when encountering unconsidered situations. Modern AI using machine learning is able to identify patterns in the training data automatically, even for patterns are to describe explicitly or unnoticed before. It also deals with unseen situations well, thanks to an ability called generalization. In the industry, engineers follow the same steps to build AI applications. For smart assistants like Google Home, Apple Siri, Amazon Alexa, and many others, a large amount of command samples set in different ways are collected to train them, so that they can be smart enough to chat with you and to understand your orders. That's it. Go and try machine learning for kids at the website below and see if you can make something interesting out of it.
We are Xiaoxiao Creative Technologies. We aim at introducing the fundamental concepts of artificial intelligence and machine learning to everyone in a friendly and joyful way with playful tools on which you can try out AI stuff by yourself. If you do like this video, please like and leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe.